In September 2008, our Federal Reserve began an $85 billion buying spree with American International Group, AIG, the world's largest insurer, staved off bankruptcy by your tax dollar being committed in order to save that institution. Now, what's happened since then? What has happened since 2008? Because most people want to sit back and pretend that 2008 is ancient history. Dow Jones 16,935 points is tantamount to recovery. But the story behind the story is the acquisition of wealth on this planet by central banks. You do not want to miss this week's On Point with me, Charlie McGrath, buying up the planet, out of control central bankers on a corporate buying spree. The Ellen Brown, absolute brilliant writer, will be our guest again on this week's On Point, only on the Boiling Frogs Post. I want to thank Sibel Edmonds and the folks over at the Boiling Frogs Post. Truly independent media. If you want to see the continuation of On Point with me, Charlie McGrath, this week's program with Ellen Brown, please subscribe to the Boiling Frogs Post today. Not only will you get On Point, you'll get a plethora of truly independent media. Subscribe today. Thank you.